In this video I am going to show you how to turn off microphone and camera on FaceTime. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin. And once you are on your FaceTime call, first you have to do is to tap at anywhere, like here at free space, to bring up that options. And now, as you see, my microphone and my camera are now active and I can turn it off just by tapping on that icons. I can tap on camera icon to turn off my camera. Now you see camera turned on, now camera turned off. And I can turn off my microphone as well just by tapping here at microphone icon. When icon is highlighted, microphone is on, and now I can tap on it to turn microphone off. And I can simply switch between that modes at any time. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.